Okay, let's take a look at example 3. Here they give us x to the power a squared over x to the power b squared is equal to x to the power 16. And they give you a clue that a plus b is equal to 2. So what is the value of a minus b? So the fact that they're dividing two exponential numbers tells you that you have to use the rules of exponent. So let's come back here. So we know that this x to the power a squared divided by x to the power b squared, this is equal to, since they have the same base, we can say this is the same thing as x to the power a squared minus b squared, right? And that is supposed to be equal to x to the power 16. Now, since this is x, we can say that these two are also the same. Then, therefore, we can come back and say x squared minus b squared is equal to 16. You see that? Yeah. X squared minus b squared is equal to 16. But we know that when you have difference of squares, this is the same thing as x squared minus b squared is the same thing as s plus a plus b times a minus b. And that is supposed to be equal to 16. Guess what? They gave you a plus b. A plus b is equal to 2. Therefore, we consider the whole of this is 2 times a minus b is equal to 16. What do we want? We want a minus b. So let's divide this by 2, divide this by 2, and therefore a minus b is equal to 8. Right? That is how you solve this simple problem. Instead of going around and struggling with all this stuff, use the laws of exponents, and if you do, your life will always be easy instead of being miserable. Because most of you will struggle through this problem for no reason, because maybe your rules of exponents are gone. You don't understand how to deal with exponents. But always remember, when you have two exponent numbers and one is being divided by the other, you subtract. When you have to multiply them, then you add, and then things like that. We're going to see some more examples as you roll along.